All right, good morning everyone. Today is September 7th, 2021, and I want to show you what happened this morning with the trade scalper and all of the signals that occurred. We're almost at 100% accuracy. Remember, it's not like this every day, but you could see how powerful using this software, especially on a day where the market will give you both long and short opportunities, and you can take advantage of that. Now, you don't have to take every signal, but we have here 45.35 to go short, 45.32.75 to go short, 45.29 to go short, 45.21.50 to go short, 45.16.75 to go short. And now we start having some long opportunities. Here is 45.17 quarter, 45.18.75, and then it quickly gives you more shorting opportunities. So between what we're looking at here, about 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, right before the market opens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 signals, 10 signals, 11 signals, 12 signals, 13 signals. All of these signals are all successful. And so this here is just a testament of the software. If you're ever looking at software, see about how many signals the software provides and then see the results that you get from it. Again, being 90 to 100% accurate is not normal. So what you're seeing here is a fantastic day. Probably you could expect 80% accuracy on software like this, day in and day out on different markets, depending on the market conditions. Now let's take a look at a real live example, a real signal, a real trade as it happens, so I can walk you through it and I can show you exactly what to do. If you have the Trade Scalper software, you have this exact signal, so there's no optimization involved. 45.24 is the entry to go short. Now the first thing you take a look at is what are the current conditions, what I can expect out of a trade like this. The ATR there shows 0.0993, so that is between 3 and 4 ticks. 3 and 4 ticks, at least to start off with, would be your goal on this type of a signal, this type of a trade. Don't have a large stop. Don't hold on to positions for hours on end. We want to see an instant entry, an instant profit target, and then if it doesn't work out in our favor, I want to get out of the trade. So 45.24 at about 2:30 or so Eastern Standard Time was and is a live signal, as you can see it, and it is successful. We made the 3 to 4 ticks. Now, I don't like to re-enter into trades, so please don't re-enter into the same trade. Wait for the next signal. If we have another signal, whether it's long or whether it's short, or if you want to apply the software to different markets, let's say you want to have a NASDAQ, a crude oil, a gold, an E-mini, a Dow, a Russell, the software to all these markets at the same time. So you can pick and choose the signals that you want to take. And let's see if we have another signal here. I would assume that's going to be another short signal if the market continues to go lower, and it works the same way. We took this signal at 45.24, we got in, we got out, we're done, we're flat, we banked our money, and now we look for the next signal.
If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.